syncopation to the side, and 1 and 2. We block to the girl, 3. Then we turn her with the right hand, 4 with the left, 5, block 6. On the 7th hand, from 7, we walk 8, 1, connect the girl with going diagonal, 2, we go glass, goes back 3, we stop her 4. Now we turn fast, 5 and 6, and 6, and then I go 7, and I wait 8. Body weight, 1, 2, controller on the left, you come back, 3, 4, and now we cross 5, starting, we hold the girl on the spot, and we do 7, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, syncopation, 1 and 2. So we throw the elbow, first leading, tap, second leading, push on the shoulder, and third thing, tap, tap. Here, we arrive with the hand on the belly, and we turn to block 3. Okay, and I block it from the belly and from the back to hold it here. Then I push with the right hand, and I go to the right bow and say, right. Turn with the left to you, left. And then with the right, come to Zaida and block 6. Then throw with the hand, and the girls go 7. I have the window open so I can go 8. 8. And then I go behind her. Be careful with the right hand, just touching. Don't move her. Don't take her balance. 8. And I go 1 on the hip and on the shoulder. Then I will push her in the diagonal, 2 with the right. Then push with the left, and I go back 3. Push with the right and catch with the left, 4. Block her if you want to stop or hold her. Now we push and we go fast, fast. 5 and 6. We are on the left and we bring her forward, and then we go to a break on the woman's head again. 7. And then we wait 8 to breathe and relax. Now the leading for the sliding. With this hand I'm going to give her the push 1 and 2, block here. And now with this hand I'm going to tell her, come back. Or with the right hand down and a small pinch. Or with the right hand down and release for her to make side. In her, she decides if she wants to come up or not. You're here, you can go up or down. Good. And then we arrive here on the 6 normally, and we make the slide with the leg. Slide, 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 and bend your left. So you're doing two things at the same time. You're sliding with the right and putting the body weight on it and bending the left. And this is once to the right. Your body weight is on the left, body weight on the right. And now you have the leg free, so you can go 6, 7, 8.